Are we buying Kiko? Kiko is his name. So we're still waiting if we will be able to buy this car or not today while waiting for our Ruro na nagsiservice ngayon. So, ipapakita na namin sa inyo si Ruby! Ito siya.
The entry level.
Okay.
So, the safety features are standard, alright?
You still have a lot of units available.
I mean, not a lot, but we have enough.
Enough, alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go, baby. Are you excited? Are you excited to get our Ruby? So today is December 31st and magsi-celebrate ng New Year sa amin si Ruby. We will get it our new car. Let's go. Samahan niyo po kami. Habang nagdadrive ako kanina ng U-Haul truck, so yung asawa ko kumuha na ng insurance for Ruby for our new car. So everything is ready. So naghihintay na lang kami sa car dealer, car agent namin kasi may kinakausap pa siya ngayon. So huli na namin yung bagong car namin. So pinangalanan namin siyang Ruby dahil sa color niya. So you will find out later bakit Ruby yung pangalan niya. And we're both excited. Yay! So, usually yung car insurance namin, nagbabayad kami every 6 months. So, full namin yung 6 months insurance namin. So, matatapos siya sa Feb. So, dahil mag-a-add kami ng another car, so nagbayad kami ng additional 230 something. So for 2 months na yan hanggang ma-expire yung insurance namin sa Feb. Then after that, so we will find out sa Feb yung ang bagong quote ng dalawang sasakyan na. So hopefully bababa siya para makatipid din kami. So, thank you Lord for this blessing. So, ipapakita na namin sa inyo si Ruby. Ito siya. Daran! Oh, diba? Ang gara ni Ruby. So, she is Ruby. Is this the one? Yeah! Nice one. We like the color. Yay. Okay. You don't have extra mat for this?
No, you can, but we didn't. You can buy accessory.
Oh.
Cargo free, cargo.
No
mat.
free?
No. That's what we say. We don't add anything. We just
Okay.
let the customer do.
Alright, gotcha. Do you push this one?
Yeah, we got to be unlocked.
It
and then
should
you
be.
push it. Yeah.
Okay.
It's because it's capless, but it's got a cover.
What's the purpose of this?
Oh, that's just when you shut it.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you lock it, it just everything locks.
Okay.
And then when you hit unlock, once it does the driver's side, hit it twice. It does all 4 doors. To remote start, you got to be locked. Then you hit this, and it'll run for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then it'll shut itself off.
Regular
Regular gas, 87.
Okay. 87 regular gas.
Yeah.
What's this for?
That's just to unpop your trunk.
Okay.
But it does not go up, it just open it. But
Okay.
it don't go up by itself. That's the
Okay.
Yeah.
There's no button here. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so that does.
Okay.
So this,
Okay.
it does have the remote start. It also has an automatic walk away.
Oh, automatic walk away?
Yeah. So we hit that.
And it locks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
It's open.
I like that. Okay.
Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay,
Is it wireless?
yeah.
Wireless, right? But there is just
No route.
no charger.
Ah.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, we like it. We like the color.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll go in as soon as they finish my desk, finish the paperwork.
Yeah, sure.
Y'all
Take
do
your
it.
time. What can you say about our new car, our new baby, our Ruby? So now you already know why we named this car Ruby, because of her color. Yes, so she is her. Her na her. So this is asawa ni Ruru. So meron na kaming Ruru, and additional to our family, it's Ruby. Yeah, so happy. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Are you happy to have a new car? To have a new.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture of our new car.
Heart. Heart.
Features, and then automatic na yung driver's seat, and then this is what I like it, this part for AC, and then here AC, and then we have here for driving mode, and then park, brake, hold. So for Ruru, I like the, how do you call this one, the handle, the brake handle. I like Ruru's. And then, yan, ganun lang siya kalaki. And then, I like about this too, meron siyang ganito, para sa rest control. So, may level 1, 2, 3 yan. And then, so, heated seat to. And, sabi niya, wireless daw yung Apple. So, let's check later kung wireless ba yung Apple Play or not. Then, let's check. Check natin yung sa... Ayaw nga.
You open the AC.
Basta magtunog siya.
This one? Like,
Oh. So, ito pa pala, meron siyang ano. Anong tawag dito, babe? Sunroof? Yan o, may sunroof dyan. Yan.
yeah.
Yeah. So, meron ditong sunroof. Sunroof to for moonroof lang. Oh, moonroof.
Pwede mo open. Pwede siyang ito.
Yeah. Ito?
Yeah.
Ah, really?
Lever 2. Pwede mo kasi.
Oh, pwede siya ma-open. Pwede ba? Ang ganda. Sana all. Ayan, close na natin. Ito yung sa loob. Sa back. Uy! Bibang backseat merong ano oh. Merong lalagyan ng ano, ng cups.
Meron si Rupag.
This is it, and see it. So, ito turn over na yung keys. At kami ay magpipirma na. So, if you want to buy a car, so punta lang kayo dito sa Boyd. So, look for Mr. Rice. Cellphone number ng sales associate namin is 252-767-3021. So, bili na kayo at sabihin yung pangalan ko. Dahil makakuha ako ng $100 kay referral. So, nag-congrats na sila. We're getting the car. Right. Oh, yeah.
Get each one of these
Thank
one of these
you.
electronic pens.
That's nice.
One there, yeah, absolutely. So I see you're buying a 2025 Honda CR-V hybrid, and you're doing the 60 months at 3.49% with no money out of pocket. Is that right?
Yep.
Perfect. All right. So if you can just hit that continue button for me right there.
That's correct.
Mhm. Okay. Perfect. There you go. You're fine. And this is consenting to electronic signing. Perfect. And then hit continue. Perfect. And then hit continue. Perfect. What's that? I like that.
Oh, DJI.
Look at that.
It's like a vlogging camera.
I like that. That's
Thank
cool.
you.
That's cool. Your turn. Hit next. Sign. Next. And that's for me. Alrighty.
You're so techy.
You have the cool stuff.
Right there.
Alright.
Every
Oh,
day.
it's really tiny.
Yeah, I knew you'd like that. Temporary registration.
Okay.
Give that to you.
Thanks.
And give that to Mr. Rice. He'll pop that on.
Okay, gotcha.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Stay safe.
You too. And that's it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so
Alright.
much.
Thank you. So, we already have our plate and the documents na nasa USB, o, diba? Temporary registration is only for
1 month.
1 month.
Yeah.
Yeah, it takes about 30 days for the permit to come. And it will come here and I'll call you.
Okay.
I can mail it to you or you can swing by and pick it up.
I think we can come here.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the owner, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He's the owner. He knows everyone.
See ya. See you later. Alright. This is it. So we will drive Ruby, our new car, our new baby. So look at that. Look at that. There you go. And let me see the ilagayan din ako na sa taas. And then let's have the AC. Let's go. Let's drive it. Yan ang AC niya. AC. Yung fan. Ito yung AC, diba? Ano yung hindi malamig? Let's go home. Nami sa ah. Masalan.
If you go up to 5 years, it's 0%. If it's 6 years, it's 1.9.
Ah, okay.
60 months, 5 years, 60 months, it's 0%. Yeah.
Yeah, you still have a lot of units available.
I mean, not a lot, but we have enough.
Enough, alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, model.
Uh-huh.
It's a front wheel drive.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a 31,311. And I will grab key. Give me a second to show what we have inside.
So this one is the basic now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the cheapest?
Yeah.
31? Okay.
I will drop you.
Alright, thank you.
Just for like children, right?
I mean, for adults, maybe for 10, 15 minutes.
But at least you have extra one.
It's okay.
And what?
Or just small.
And also, of course, it's a folding.
Yeah, two fold.
Same with this seat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It looks good. Okay.
And also, if you will need to put long item, it's called pass-through. You can fold this part down. Two passengers can sit here, and you will allow to put long item, like ski or something. If you
Yeah.
Your seats is height adjustable. Lift up.
But it's not
It's not power.
powered.
To get power, it have to be SC model.
And how much is the this first and then S?
This is S.
This
Then
S.
coming SE.
SE and then
Then SCR line.
so SE is also what they call the
SC will have it look
The
like
same one.
fake. No, it look like fake leather. It's not
fake
really
leather.
Will have power seats.
Mm-hmm.
Front.
No, passenger just every time it's manual. We'll have a wireless CarPlay, SE model, wireless charger.
So this one is wireless or cord?
Particular, this one has wireless CarPlay,
Uh-huh.
but doesn't have wireless charging.
Okay.
And to charge, you will need cable. But CarPlay, when you will pair your phone,
For music and for
it
so
will
it's
show your
wireless.
map from your phone. Everything it will show right there.
Ah,
After
alright.
you will pair your phone,
Okay.
and has blind spot monitoring. Has a rear traffic alert, front collision warning,
Okay.
and you was asking if it has a turning
Yeah,
signal.
it has
Yeah,
one.
It has.
Okay. And then the interior is white.
They coming dark and light. Two different colors.
I like the light one. Is this the hybrid?
Did you look at the features? Do you know what trim you want? Like which features you are interested in terms of the color, category?
The safety features is with the lowest trim. It's okay.
Right, so the safety features are actually, they're standard in all of them. Let me show you the very standard one. So that's the higher end one, that's the limited, the top of the line. And here is the standard one. This is the LE, which is the entry level.
Okay.
So the safety features are standard, alright?
34 baby.
So this part of the sticker is standard in all of them. The safety package,
So this one is already all-wheel drive.
all of them are all-wheel.
Okay. How much is your APR for at this
30s.
moment?
They start in low 30s for the RAV4 hybrid.
How much?
About 32, 31, 32,000.
I mean the APR. The interest.
The interest rate is like, I think for this month I'm not sure. Last month they offered as low as 2.99 for 36 months. That
For-
was
just for
the month of
36?
October, so I'm not sure what they're offering for this month. Actually, it was 3.49.
Maybe 0%.
You don't have 0%?
Where did you see that?
No, we are just asking because Volkswagen has 0% APR, so we're just hoping that Toyota will also have 0% APR.
Right.
You don't have one right now?
It doesn't offer zero interest rate.
Alright. Daw si Ruru, daw ano man ang sabi? Daw Ruru.
This is the 31.
So VW doesn't have a hybrid version of their SUVs, right?
No hybrid.
So it doesn't have to be hybrid for you?
How much is the difference if it's not hybrid?
About $2,000.
Just $2,000? Okay. But can we know the numbers for this? Is it possible the computation of the monthly with the down payment and
Yeah,
the
sure.
APR?
Yeah.
Then-
This specific car, you like the color here. You like everything about
What's
it.
the next trim about? What's
The next trim is the XLE. So this is the entry level. It doesn't have keyless entry and push start. The driver's seat is manual here.
No push start for this one?
No, you want that?
So, ang hybrid gas ka, di ba, ng battery. Mas fuel efficient.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Nissan, Michael Jordan Nissan sa Chapel Hill para magpa-tire rotation, change oil, at ano ngayon? Recall for the seat belts. Pero magtitingin-tingin kami ng sasakyan dito. Baka may makita kami dito kung pwede bilhin. Samahan niyo kami. Kicks 27. So, dalawang brand ng Nissan yung kinukonsider namin. Ito yung 2025 Kicks. Yan. And then ito yung 2024 Kicks na medyo maliit siya. Yan. So, ito-test drive ko to. At kung bibigyan ng malaking discount, so we might consider this 2024 Kicks.
Yeah, the brown one.
Yes. Where's he going? Just
Want some quick?
huh?
You want to do something quick?
Yeah. Just quick, and then I want to try the other one.
Pretty much going right.
Right here.
Straight. So it's
Just right.
And this one is like more. There's like more movement built inside.
Yeah, it feels like a sedan.
Have you tried? Oh yeah. Okay.
Right side? The 360. Oh, see?
Put it in reverse. Yes, okay. There. It's in the back, yeah. This one is
Is this the one?
It's only the reverse one.
It's only the reverse one?
Not the 260?
And this is 27. I think this one is the same with the car outside. The green one.
Oh, that's the other blue one sold.
Oh, you already sold it?
How does it feel?
Feels similar to.
So, where are we going? To the TikTok store? This one?
Right.
Right.
Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right.
And
Yellow babe.
Then just go straight. Left. Are we going left? Are we buying Kiko? Kiko is his name. So we're still waiting if we will be able to buy this car or not today while waiting for our Ruro na nagsiservice ngayon. So hopefully, makuha namin siya today or mabili namin siya today. So, wish us luck. Do you want it? Do you like it?
That's alright.
It's RT lang asawa ko. So, gusto ko lang yung medyo maliit para kumasya sa ano namin. Kumasya sa aming 2-car garage. And then, maganda yung interior. And then, may mga specs. Specs mo tawag doon? May mga specs siya na more advanced than Ruro. But we like Ruro. It's our first baby car. And it will be Kiko. So, let's wait. We've been here like for 4